NASA just revealed a mystery substance is propelling spiral galaxies to extreme speeds, and this is black matter, something new in astronomy. Dark matter is responsible for spiral galaxies spinning at speeds extreme by many measures. This is according to the data given recently by US Space Agency NASA. Tom Fish of Express UK, and we're going to read from Sputnik as well what they reveal. Dark matter. Well, this is all theory, of course. Dark matter, the elusive substance, they say, comprising about 23% of all the mass in our universe, which has so far eluded scientists' exhaustive attempt to directly detect the substance. So it's all theory. It's just has not been. It's theory. And now new NASA data discovered dark matter makes the most massive spiral galaxies spin faster, far faster than they expected. The average spiral galaxy like the Milky Way spins at speeds of 468,000 miles per hour. 468,000 miles per hour. New research found the most massive spiral galaxies spin faster than expected. These super spirals, weighing up to 20 times more than the Milky Way, spin at rates of up to 3 times faster because of dark matter, they say. In addition to being more massive than the Milky Way, super spirals are brighter and larger in physical size. Now, super spirals were discovered as an important new class of galaxies while studying data from the Sloan Digital Sky Survey (SDSS) and the NASA Extragalactic Database (NED). NASA scientist Dr. Patrick Ogle of Space Telescope Science Institute said the super spirals are extreme by many measures. They break the records for rotation speeds. Dr. Ogle's paper presents new data on the rotation rates of super spirals collected with the Southern African Large Telescope (SALT), the largest single optical telescope in the Southern Hemisphere. Data from NASA's Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, WISE for short, the WISE mission was employed for measuring the galaxy masses in stars and star formation rates. Professor Tom Jarrett of University of Cape Town said, "This work beautifully illustrates the powerful synergy between optical and infrared observations of galaxies, revealing stellar motion with SDSS and SALT spectroscopy and other stellar properties, notably stellar masses or backbone of the host galaxies through the WISE mid-infrared imaging." And the theory says that super spirals spin rapidly because they're located within incredibly large clouds or halos of dark matter. What is this dark matter? Dark matter has been linked to galaxy rotation for decades. Legendary astronomer Dr. Vera Rubin pioneered work on galaxy rotation rates, illustrating how spiral galaxies rotate faster than if their gravity were solely due to constituent stars and gas. Her work showed how an additional invisible substance known as dark matter must influence galaxy rotation. A spiral galaxy of a given mass in stars is expected to rotate at a certain speed, but Dr. Ogle's team discovered superspirals significantly exceed the anticipated rotation rate. The superspirals also reside in larger than average dark matter halos. The most massive halo that Ogle measured contains enough dark matter to weigh at least 40 trillion times as much as our Sun. That amount of dark matter could normally contain a group of galaxies rather than a single galaxy. Ogle said it appears that the spin of a galaxy is set by the mass of its dark matter halo, and this is what she explained. So the dark matter hurricane gives physicists hope they'll discover the elusive material. The new study suggests that Earth is in the middle, of a dark matter hurricane. A dark matter hurricane. And scientists are optimistic it offers a better than normal chance at detecting this elusive material. See, it's all hypothetical to now. They have not found it, they have not touched it, they have not measured it, they just figure that it's there. Now, dark matter is thought to be left over from a dwarf galaxy that long ago collided with our own. Scientists call this batch of dark matter their S1 stream, but they can't actually see it. They've supposed that it exists because of about 30,000 identified stars with a different chemical composition than those native to our Milky Way galaxy. Those stars are moving in a similar elliptical path, which heavily suggests they're remnants from a dwarf galaxy that long ago collided with the Milky Way galaxy. Scientists at the University of Zaragoza, King's College London, and Institute of Astronomy UK made the discovery, the results of which were published in the journal Physical Review D on November 7. These are tons of these streams all over the galaxy. Some of them are really huge and you can see them in the sky. Kieran O'Hare of University of Zaragoza and one of the study authors told Astronomy, noting they believe these streams include large amounts of dark matter. The existence of dark matter isn't something directly observed as yet, NASA says, but rather extrapolated from necessities in observing behavior by regular matter in the universe. The expansion of the universe has not been slowing due to gravity, as everyone thought. It has been accelerating instead, according to NASA, meaning that either Albert Einstein's theory of gravity is wrong, or there's something else, another form of matter or energy that's unseen but acting on the matter as we can see. The big question mark in physics is referred to as dark matter or dark energy. It turns out that roughly 68% of the universe is dark energy. Dark matter makes up about 27%. The space agency says everything on Earth, everything ever observed with all of our instruments, all normal matter, adds up to less than 5% of the universe. But dark matter, if it's there, should be flying past Earth at around 143 miles per second, the author says. But don't fret, it's not leaving anytime soon. We should have at least 1 million years to study this dark matter hurricane before it moves on. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.